How to join private subreddits on Reddit. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Reddit on your device or go where your private subreddit link is and click on the link. Without the link, you won't be able to search. After that, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, you will need to add a reason for joining at the top. Then press on Request to Join at the bottom. After you have requested to join, notification will be sent to the mod. Only if they approve, you will be able to join. As you can see, request sent. If approved, you will be notified via private message. And this is how to join private subreddits on Reddit. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.